Struggling to study from huge textbooks before exam? Confused about what to study and what to skip?
Don't worry students, your smart exam preparation starts here. Prepared long answer, short answer question collected from various university examination paper. I have prepared answer for all questions based on current CBME curriculum so that you can study smart way and revise very faster and score very high mark with the confidence. I have emphasized on repeated PYQs clearly, so it's very useful for your last minute revision and for a very good success in your university. Why waste time searching everywhere when everything already prepared for you? Study smart, write confidently, score your best marks. Dear students, this module especially prepared for you people according to CBME curriculum, system wise, chapter wise, long answer, short answer, clear crystal how to write in examination. So make use this effectively so that you can get a very good rank in your university examination. May God bless you. All the very best.